Hi students, I am from Vijchem and here for giving you a valuable and important information. See, this is the public notice given by the NTA and it is issued on the 6/7/2020. See, this is the date and this is the authenticity. It is the letter issued by NTA and very important information for all students those who are appearing for this mains. There are two important things. What are those important things? I am going to cover it quickly. So without taking much of time, we will go into the details. First important thing is correction date is given. Okay, so correction date is given and it is between the 4/7/2020 to 15/7/2020. That means already correction date started. If yet you are not known, then it is better to know about the details and what are the facilities given what you can correct. You can correct the sequence of choice of center cities. You can change the choice of examination center cities. During the epidemic, if you are shifting from one place to another place, now you got a better chance to change your exam city. Okay. Second thing, you can change your photograph. If the photograph uploaded in previous is not clear, not beautiful, not wonderful, then you can change it. And if you wanted to change your signature, that is also can be changed. So that can be done. Already date is started from 4/7/2020. The time was started already from the 5 p.m. and it will be accepted up to the 15th. So don't wait for the last moment. You can, if you are requirement of any change in those details, change of center of examination city, and if you want to change the photograph or if you wanted to change the signature, that is one thing. And one more very important thing where most of the students might be affected, and it is a must. What is that? NDA also conducting NDA and naval both examinations are conducted by the UPSC. So this is also scheduled on the 16th September 2020. All of you are aware that there can be a clash. There can be a clash between the date of your mains examination and it as it is conducted by the NTA, and UPSC is conducting ND and NA examination on 16th September. So to avoid the clash of the date between these two, NTA decided to give you an option that your examination should not be on the 6th September. So for that, what you have to do, you have to update. You have to update as yes. You have to update as yes in the online application during correction period. So, okay. So it is going to end soon. So don't wait for the last date. Even though it is up to 15/7/2020, so I expect if you are appearing for NDA and appearing for mains, it is better to go and now itself change it as a option as a yes. And where you have to do, how you have to do, where you have to approach, that also I am giving you details. Okay. So these are the some details. First, you can contact on the phone numbers. What are the phone numbers? These 8287. Take a screenshot of it and immediately like my video. Don't forget to like my video. And if you are new visitor to this place, it is must that you should subscribe and press bell icon. And in your area, in your relatives, in your friends, I think definitely there will be some educated person or who is doing his education, and this channel fulfills the all needs of the educate related to the education. So we are giving relevant information from the authenticated sources. Let it be for the mains, let it be for the NEET, let it be for the NDA, let it be for the GRF, let it be for the CSIR. So what you have to do, for all of them you can forward this channel and ask them to subscribe and press bell icon, so that lack of information should not be a hurdle for their career. When you are not getting the correct information in the correct time, it is going to affect your career. That is what we don't want at Wizcam. So everybody should subscribe. If not subscribed and not pressed the bell icon, do it now itself, and forward to your friends, help them to grow like you. Okay, so if you are not able to contact on the telephone, you can also mail them at jeemain@nta.ac.in. I think all of you have gone through the my video about how to join IIT without advanced exam. So if you are not seen yet, you are missing a bright chance. So kindly visit that video also, where you can do the IIT top from the top IIT, that is Madras IIT. From top IIT you can do the course from the top Madras IIT by sitting at your home. That is the advantage. You will get IIT certificate with low fees and you will be at your home. So full details are given in that video. I hope you will go through that video if not yet, and forward this video and forward this link to most of your friends. Bye. See you. Happy education and happy bright future. Bye bye.